Hello, my name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and thank you for watching my curl channel. In this video, I am sharing how to do a flat twist updo style using our My Curl Moist Restore leave-in conditioner, adding our curl foaming mousse, and lastly, our curl sauce. These products can be used for all natural styling, including wash and goes, and we also have a extra curls gel available if you need a little extra hold. You would just replace the curl sauce with the extra curls gel. This is a really cute style idea for all ages and can last up to 3 weeks, and can also be taken loose for a naturally curly look. Our products are available on our website, mycurlproducts.com. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments below. And follow us for more natural hairstyling inspiration. Thank you for watching.